nature photography, landscape and woodland photography. Hi, I'm Cecilia Ellis Wallin from Inventicity, the channel where we combine inventiveness and felicity. And today I am here outside Sigtuna in Sweden. Sigtuna is Sweden's oldest town, and I'm here in a field outside Sigtuna, and it's a beautiful spring day. The smell is heavenly, and it has just been raining and the sun is breaking through now, and I really feel inspired to make a video about composition and photography. So I will try to capture some beautiful views here, and I will talk about composition and about how to find good views in the forests and the fields. So follow me. Alright, there are so many beautiful views here, so I can't get tired of it. But I will try to capture some photos in the forest as well. So let's go for a walk into the forest here. Yes, I think this is a great view. I will try to capture some pictures here. There are so many lovely views here, so it's so easy to find great views, and I think I have a lot of great photographies to bring home now. This is really an awesome day, and it's easy to be a photographer here. And I will now show you some of the photos I have taken. My best composition tip is: don't use the rule of thirds or the golden ratio. You can keep them in the back of your mind, but don't follow them too strict. It might make your picture a bit too strict and boring. Instead, be artistic. Work like an artist. Your composition shall be an expression of your ideas and your mood. That way you will be able to take interesting pictures. And another tip is: choose a surrounding, forests and fields, or a surrounding you know well. It will be easier for you to fast find the best motifs in landscape you know well, and it will also be easier for you to catch the light and the fleeting conditions if you are in a landscape you know well.